Hello and once again welcome back to Curly Dots Drawing, and today we are creating a super cute dog. So make sure you download this free printable from the link in the description and start drawing with me. Please remember that all of our printables are just for educational purpose, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon for more videos and upcoming notifications. Thank you so much for watching.